In today's video, I'll show you how to use Notion AI to generate and refine a comprehensive product launch roadmap. We will start inside our Workspace library page. Let's move our cursor over to the left sidebar and click on the plus icon next to the private section to create a new page. Now, we'll type in the title Planning and click into the empty body area below. At the bottom of the page, several options appear. Let's select Ask AI to open up the prompt window. Here we'll type, create a 3-month roadmap for a new product launch, including milestones for research, development, and marketing. Let's click the blue arrow on the right to start generating. As the AI processes the request, you'll see a dynamic status change from noodling and cooking to organizing and preparing. In a few moments, a complete 12-week roadmap populates our page, outlining goals, assumptions, monthly research, development phases, and marketing strategies. We can scroll through the document to verify the week-by-week milestones, cross-functional checkpoints, and success metrics. To elevate the document further, we can adjust its tone. Let's click the blue Notion AI icon in the bottom right corner to bring up the assistance options. In the prompt input box at the bottom, let's type, "Make it more professional," and hit enter. The AI instantly refines the text to be much more polished. A side panel opens up detailing the specific modifications made to our goals, objectives, and industry language. We can click on Show Changes to see the precise edits directly inside the document, and then click Hide Changes to close that view. Let's do a quick scroll back up to inspect the finalized professional roadmap layout. And that's it. That's how you create and optimize a professional roadmap using Notion AI.